Le subjonctif présent, the present subjunctive. If you don't know when to use the subjunctive, I'd advise you to click here first. How is the subjunctive formed? To get a subjunctive stem of most verbs, regardless of whether they are in the first, second or third group, you need to take the il form of the present tense and remove the ent ending. To form the subjunctive, you then need to add the appropriate ending to that stem. So the subjunctive endings are e, es, e, ions, iez, ent. For those of you who are not completely familiar with French pronunciation, this means that only the nous and vous endings are pronounced, the others are silent. So, for example, here's the first group verb parler, to speak, in the present subjunctive. The il form of the present tense is il parle, ending in ent, so you take the ent off, and then you get the subjunctive stem parle, to which you add the subjunctive endings. Que je parle, que tu parles, qu'il parle, que nous parlions, que vous parliez, qu'il parle. Here's an example of a second group verb, finir, to finish or to end. The il form in the present tense is ils finissent, ending in ent, so you take the ent ending off, and then you get the subjunctive stem finissent. Que je finisse, que tu finisses, qu'il finisse, que nous finissions, que vous finissiez, qu'il finisse. And here's an example of a third group verb, vendre, to sell. The il form of the present tense is ils vendent, ending in ent, so you take the ent ending off and you get a subjunctive stem, vend. Que je vende, que tu vendes, qu'il vende, que nous vendions, que vous vendiez, qu'il vende. Please note, some verbs change their stems in the nous and vous forms of the present indicative tense. Those verbs also change their stems in the nous and vous forms of the present subjunctive. To get the nous and vous subjunctive stems of stem-changing verbs, take the nous form of the present indicative tense and remove the ons ending. For example, here's the stem-changing verb boire, to drink. The il and nous forms of the present tense are ils boivent, ending in ent, and nous buvons, ending in ons. So we take these endings off and we're left with two stems, boivent, spelled B-O-I-V for most persons, and buve, spelled B-U-V, for the nous and vous forms. Que je boive, que tu boives, qu'ils boivent, que nous buvions, que vous buviez, qu'ils boivent. There are 7 irregular verbs in the present subjunctive. 5 verbs have irregular stems. They are faire, pouvoir, savoir, aller, and vouloir. And 2 verbs are completely irregular. They are être and avoir. So here's the verb faire, to do or to make, in the subjunctive. The subjunctive stem for the verb faire is fasse. Que je fasse, que tu fasses, qu'il fasse, que nous fassions, que vous fassiez, qu'il fasse. Here's the verb pouvoir, to be able to, in the subjunctive. The subjunctive stem of the verb pouvoir is puisse. Que je puisse, que tu puisses, qu'il puisse, que nous puissions, que vous puissiez, qu'il puisse. Here's the verb savoir, to know, in the subjunctive. The subjunctive stem of the verb savoir is sache. Que je sache, que tu saches, qu'il sache, que nous sachions, que vous sachiez, qu'il sache. Here's the verb aller, to go, in the subjunctive. In the subjunctive, the verb aller has two stems, aille and al for the nous and vous forms. Que j'aille, que tu ailles, qu'il aille, que nous allions, que vous alliez, qu'ils aillent. Here's the verb vouloir, to want, in the subjunctive. In the present subjunctive, the verb vouloir also has two stems, veuille and voule. Que je veuille, que tu veuilles, qu'il veuille, que nous voulions, que vous vouliez, qu'il veuille. Here's the verb avoir, to have, in the subjunctive. The subjunctive stems of the verb avoir are est and aille. Que j'ai, que tu es, qu'il est, que nous ayons, que vous ayez, qu'ils aient. And finally, here's the verb être, to be, in the subjunctive. The subjunctive stems for the verb être are sois and sois. Que je sois, que tu sois, qu'il soit, que nous soyons, que vous soyez, qu'il soit. This lesson was about the present subjunctive. If you want to learn the past subjunctive, click here. Here are the links to my grammar, vocabulary, culture and pronunciation playlists if you're interested. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, requests or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget, you can also find me on Twitter and Facebook. Bye!